So you probably heard about Amazon FBA, how to sell products on Amazon, how to source and find and buy and resell products, but not a lot of people are telling you that there is another great way to make money on Amazon. And that is, simply put, buying product directly from Amazon.com and reselling that on Amazon.com. I know, it's crazy. But I'm going to show you 2 ways that every single day you can find yourself products that are very, very low priced and resell those same products for a nice profit margin on the same platform, on Amazon. We're talking about Amazon here. So let's move on to method number 1. Method number 1 will involve using the tool Keepa. If you don't know about Keepa, one of the essential tools for your Amazon business. It costs about $20 a month. It's basically a way to analyze pricing and historical data and sellers and all that. But not a lot of people know that you can use Keepa to source for products. I'm going to show you how to do that to source products sold by Amazon.com. And here we go. First, once you get a subscription on Keepa, you're going to go to right here, data. Go to data. Once you're in data, go to premium data access. Because Keepa, in exchange of your $20 a month, has a huge database that is updated in real time on pricing for every single seller on Amazon. Happening right now, it monitors pricing going up, going down. So if you want to find a good deal, I can't think of a better tool besides Keepa. So go to Premium Data Access. And these are the settings that you are going to put on here. You're gonna go here, Amazon, and 1-day drop percentage. Basically what that means is you want Keepa to show you products that have had a drastic percentage in pricing in one single day, today, one single day. In terms of how drastic I want it to be, I want it to be at least 40%. 40%. I want the pricing of that product to be at least 40% down versus the regular pricing, and all the way up to 99. Why do we put 99? Because Keepa caps us at 99. Otherwise, I would put 1,000, 10,000. So from 40 to 99%, 1-day drop percentage. Okay? And you can do the same thing if you were to look for, let's say, a third-party seller. You want Keepa to show you price drops for third-party sellers. You can do that here, for example, new third-party FBA. But for this video, I'm showing you exactly only how to do Amazon, buying product from Amazon.com, okay? So from 40 to 99%, 1-day drop. And the other only setting that you're going to go to is the root category. Here you can choose, do you want to focus on beauty? Do you want to focus on baby products? Well, guess what? Because we are approaching the Christmas season, I want to show you toys. I want to focus on toys because we want to buy some toys for Christmas to make the kids happy and to make you happy with some profit. So go here and go to toys and games. And here, Keepa will show you your current filter matches 89 products. 89 products match the description that are products within the toy category that have had at least 40% drop in pricing today. And you're going to click here, find products. So as you can see now, I find the 89 products, and I'm going to click here on the A symbol to open each one of these on a new tab showing me the pricing information to see if that's profitable for me to buy. Let me take you through analyzing each one of these. For example, by the way, I am using Seller Amp as my profit calculator. This, in my opinion, together with AC Insight, is one of the top profit calculators. If you want a discount on it, you can find it on a link below in the description. So as we see here, the Amazon price it's at $5.99 right now. Amazon is selling it at $5.99, sold by Amazon.com. And if you look at the 30-day average, you see that the buy box, it's circling around $15.90. If we put $15.90 sell price, and we're going to get this at $5.99, we make a $3.16 profit, 52% ROI, just by buying this product directly from Amazon.com, because we use Keepa to find a deal that is happening right now. And look at the Keepa chart. So the Keepa chart shows that the pricing was at $9.97, steady until July. Then it dropped at $5.99, which is today. Then it went abruptly up, and then it stayed at like around $16, and then it dropped again to $5.99, which is right now. So as you are evaluating these deals, you have to keep in mind price consistency. Obviously, the 30-day buy box is at $15.90 because the price kind of spiked here. But if we go back a little bit further, the price was steady at $9.99. And if we were to plug $9.99 here, then it wouldn't be profitable. Right now, there are no seller selling this product at less than $16.99. So it would be profitable right now, but the risk of the pricing going down is pretty high. So evaluate that product. Moving on to the next. Amazon right now is selling this summer product at $11.24. As you see, this product has been steadily selling at $34.99 with a little drop here at $20.99, $34.99, and then today, I don't know what happened, Amazon decided to reduce it. Look, 61% down. This is the lowest price in 30 days. And the buy box here is at $31.50 for the 30-day buy box average. So if we were to use that, or even use $30, then $11.24 gives me a profit of about $4 profit and 37% ROI. Now bear in mind that this product is a summer product, and summer is almost over. So the sales rank is probably going to go higher. Sales per month are going to drop a little bit because people are not buying products for the summer anymore. However, this product is selling 474 units per month. So even if it drastically drops, I think it might still be a good purchase. Here's another one, 1048. Amazon is having a deal, 1048, 48% off. And then the lowest FBA seller after that is 2676. 2676. But what's going on? The 30-day buy box average here is 1528. So if we were to plug that in, it puts us at a loss. So again, do not get carried away. Thoroughly evaluate every product that you see. And again, you're looking for price consistency. Look at this Keepa chart. It was selling for $38 and then it dropped drastically. So you want price consistency. This is an example of a product that used to be on sale just a few moments ago. See? Right here, Amazon had it at $19.99 today, but I guess they ran out of stock. Maybe they had 1 or 2 units in stock for $19.99. And now the lowest price seller is 48. So if we would have caught that deal at $19.99, $48.95, we would have made a huge profit right here. But we missed that deal. We missed that deal, unfortunately. Now, this one is 41% off. But what's going on here? If I plug it in my calculator, $10, a 30-day buy box is at 16, it's not enough profit here. So again, I would pass on that one. This one again, the buy box average is at $7.99, and that's what Amazon is at right now. So I would definitely pass on it. Now there's a gigantic drop in price on this Funko, 73% off. However, it is not enough because this is a very low price item at $9.70, $9.75. So even if we buy it at $3.48, not enough profit to put us in the green. And as I mentioned before, you would go through all of these 89 results, and you can do this multiple times a day, because what happens with these Amazon to Amazon flips is that they don't last. They are in real time. You got to be monitoring those, and they go by quick because Amazon doesn't really have a lot of stock. Maybe they are trying to liquidate their stock, and maybe they have 20, 50 units. So you got to act quick on that. The deal will not last. But if you do catch one of these deals, it's going to be tremendous profit for you. And you can do this on a consistent basis. Another great thing about Amazon to Amazon flips is that you can use your credit card and get a 5% off on your purchase by using a credit card like the Amazon Prime for Business or the Amazon Chase that gives you 5% on a personal account or 5% on a business account. Make sure you have your credit cards in place so that you can get the best credit card rewards when you're doing this type of model for Amazon FBA. Another thing I want to mention about Amazon to Amazon flips that is super important: do not use Prime. So if you have a business account, do not have Prime on it. If you have a personal account, do not have Prime on it. Chances are that you're not going to need Prime anyway because you're buying in bulk. So you're going over the, I think it's $35 or $25 limit where Amazon ships to you for free. The only thing that you're going to suffer on is the delivery times. With Prime, you usually get it the same day or in 2 days. With no Prime, you get it in 7 or 5 days. But it doesn't really matter. You're getting the same benefit, just a little bit slower delivery. And the reason we don't want to use Prime, it is against the Amazon TOS, terms and conditions. TOCs, not TOS. So you want to abide by their terms and conditions, and that only requires you to not use Prime. So feel free to buy from Amazon and sell on Amazon. Now I'm going to show you the second, more interesting way, and you don't need Keepa for this, to do Amazon to Amazon flips. So you are usually going to notice that several items have multiple listings. So you can have the exact same product, but many multiple ASINs, multiple listings of the same product. As we see here, this product has multiple different listings. And if we go on each, we see that Amazon is selling this product for $5.67. It's only one product for $5.67 that you can buy today from Amazon.com. Now, in this other listing that also sells super well, it sells 77 units per month. Amazon is nowhere to be seen on this listing, and this is a multi-pack. It's a pack of 6 units. So what you can easily do is in your calculations, you're going to grab the price for one unit that you would buy from Amazon, $5.67 multiplied by 6, because you're going to buy 6 of these units, and that will be your total. The average buy box price on the last 30 days is $52. Now the current buy box owner is $50.49, and that's what we're going to be using as our target sales price. And as you can see, we can make $3.17 profit. Now remember to plug in your rewards, 5% off using your credit card, because you are buying from Amazon using a cashback credit card. So you're making close to $5 profit on this item, and a little bit less ROI than I usually like to have, which I like to have a minimum of at least 20% ROI. But this is just an example to show you what's possible out there. You can easily buy from Amazon. Let that sink in for a second. You can buy from Amazon this product at one price and package it in a 6-pack in a listing that Amazon is not on the listing, and make a little profit. Now bear in mind that I'm not showing you the best deals out there. I'm also not including these ones. As you probably know, I have my own online arbitrage leads list, which I'm going to plug in right here if you're interested in seeing more detail about it. I do not include any of these deals, so these are up to you to find. And I don't include Amazon to Amazon flip deals on my list because of 2 reasons. Number one, they do have a little bit of a more inherent risk on them. Amazon may come in on this listing because Amazon already is on one listing. Usually they like to come in on other listings. They may or may not. As you can see on this listing, in a 1-year chart, Amazon has not even shown up, but they may. So the risk is a little bit higher. Number two, with the first method, with Keepa, those deals are in real time and they happen really quick, and they may sell out very, very fast. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm going to leave you other video right here, and I think you're gonna like it a lot. I'll see you on the next video, and keep up the great work.